I chose to write this four-book series about addiction for two particular reasons. The first and most important reason is that addiction is an incredibly poorly understood, huge global problem. And it's a pervasive disorder I saw throughout my practice over many, many decades. The other reason I wrote this series about addiction is because it so readily lends itself to illustrating the relevance of the cognitive developmental perspective to understanding what people do and what we can do about it. So there's lots of innovations in these four books. It started out as a trilogy, and then I became compelled to make it into a four-book series. So I'm in good company with The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and once you read the fourth book, you'll understand why I felt compelled to write the fourth book. The next innovation is that I chose to convey the theme or the message in story form. I believe there's nothing like a good story to engage with a reader and also to get the point across. Then, instead of didactically lecturing, which I'm happy to do most of the times, and I'm most familiar with it, I decided to create Sally, who is a composite of many clients, and Sally tells her story of what can be achieved, including abstinence from all intoxicants, if you are curious about all things in life. Then, to avoid intimidating people, I decided to write, instead of one big book, 4 short books. And I also wore out a thesaurus in search of the most commonly used word to replace academic fancy ones. So all these innovations add up, I hope, to a very easy way of conveying a very important message, not just about the creation of addicts who invariably become addicted, but also about understanding why people behave in certain ways and what we can do about that. So, you can't, you mustn't, you shouldn't just read 1 or 2 books. In order to get the full message and in order to benefit from it, you got to read all 4.